Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Today we are doing the unboxing of the Logitech G303 Shroud Edition. Now, this is going to be really interesting for me. This is something a little bit out of my comfort zone, but I wanted to try to see what happens. So then, let's start unboxing this bad boy right here. So, rock. There are a few things you guys are going to be happy about this product. And finally, Logitech decided to go with the USB-C as a connector instead of micro USB. Thank God. So open this thing up. So give me 1 second. I got interrupted. Hold up. Okay. As you see, hold up. Let me show you the mouse looks. So previous to the original 303, the dimensions is a little bit different. I think the length of it is a little bit more. You know what? I'm not gonna go there, but then people's minds work wonders. So this is the mouse itself. Holy crap! I could palm grip with this mouse. Ooh. Hold on. Let me put it right here. Oh crap. I can still kind of palm grip, but I'm gonna try to go like that. But you know what? I'm gonna try like this. Ooh. Okay. So let's do a quick sound test. Sorry, I got a little bit excited there. So there is no RGB on this mouse. I don't care, it doesn't bother me. Let's do a quick sound test. Okay, we're done with that. So right here is a little storage compartment that you could store. Come on, get out there. Man, this bastard doesn't want to come out. What the fuck? I don't want to. Oh, hold up. Why you don't want to get out there? What? I don't want to break this. Oh God. Time to pause the video. Okay. Be very, very careful because this thing is stuck every time I try to take it out. And I'm scared I'm going to break this thing. So be very, very careful. So right here, you can store your wireless receiver. And look, finally. Big freaking mouse for it. Nice. So, and you can see here, let me increase the brightness. Hopefully you guys can see it right here. Again, as I said before, no more micro USB. USB-C. Nice. So let's put that mouse to the side and let's see what other goodies we get in the box. Okay. The other goodies we get in the box is the cable itself, which is not a braided cable. And again, USB Type-C. Nice. And of course, they really changed the USB adapter. Nice. Compare differently than these, which is nice. It's a little bit more grippy as well, which thank God, because sometimes with this, you have to be very careful. This thing wants to run away from you. At least this will kind of provide a good grip on your whatever surface you're going to put on your table, wood, glass, or whatever. So the wireless receiver itself, the cable, and the user guide how to set up your wireless G303 aka Shroud Edition, the Logitech sticker, and that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That is the end of the unboxing video. I'll talk to you guys later. Goodbye.